Okay, so what is your system configuration? How to check configuration? How to check system configuration? Okay, so you have a computer or a laptop, but when people ask questions, so what is your system configuration? So then people are telling like this answer, guys, so Lenovo, my system is Lenovo 440 400, or it's IdeaPad. I have i5 processor. I have a 11 Windows 11 system. Only one or two information. Either even it is a correct or wrong, also the people are not checking it. I have a latitude Arpavilion 15. Okay, they're telling some model numbers. Okay, but you must know what is the system you are using, your system configuration, you must know it. Okay, it does not mean you are from CSC or non-CSC background. Okay, so you must know your system configuration. And I will tell about those things. So before that one, so I am few common questions also will tell. What is your mobile? You are using a mobile phone configuration. Mobile phone configuration. Mobile phone configuration. So what is the difference? I don't tell these answers, guys. You have to find it. These answers on yourself. What is the difference between Android and iOS? What is iOS? iPhone use iOS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the use of iPhone and Android? No need to go for any operating system architecture kind of stuff. Usage manner. If you are using an iPhone, what are the things? Okay, how it is easy, how it is difficulties in that one, and compared to Android, what is why Android is most of the people are choosing, why most of the people choosing iPhones. Okay, even iPhone is a very costly as compared to Android regular mobiles. Okay, so Android mobiles you can purchase 15,000, 6,000, 8,000 rupees to 15,000, 60,000 also there. But iPhone is a standard prices. At least you have to put a 50 to 60,000 for a basic model. Okay. So then you have to, it will be increased up to 1,50,000. Even it is a costly, why people are crazy about purchasing it. And another hand, what are the benefits of using iPhone? Whereas Android, what are the benefits of using Android? Plus other things like problems with Android. Both the things, both plus and negative point, plus and minus points things. What is difference between Windows and MacBooks? Windows based systems. Why a lot of people are using Windows, and also why Apple laptops or Apple books, AirPads, why they are crazy again. Craziness is like a passion about like a cost. I means the show business is also there, right? Okay, so you are rich, you have to show you are a rich, then you have to use iPhone, right? So that's the kind of stuff. So this kind of stuff, guys, it's a common. My point is not only these things, also very common in currently in the market. So what is cloud, or what is AI, what is ML, or what is this chart GPT? Recently, we are getting more popular about what is chart GPT, what is OpenAI, Okay, so recent market kind of stuff. What is trending in the market? Okay, what is a trending in the market? Also, you must knowing about it at least few points. This is I'm giving an example. Also, you can try any different things. Okay, that's why I said put a dialogue. Like one person knows something, other person know other thing. So if you are discuss, you will get to know so many things. Okay, so instead of so even you will get this information from different resources. Even Instagram reels also there. So find it out. Difference between Python and Java like that. Okay, so I'm not going that one so much deeper. First is if you got a question, what is your system configuration? What is your system configuration? 1 second, guys. Anybody added recently? Anybody joined or left? Okay. Okay, I send your information. What is your system configuration? What are the answer? What answer you should tell about your CPU? What is my CPU? What is RAM I'm using? What kind of storage? Okay. Storage it can be a hard disk or SSD. Recently, the new laptops coming with SSDs, right? CPU, RAM, storage, and okay, operating system. What operating system I'm using? Okay, so and of course, bit like a 32-bit system or 64-bit system. So like that also you can add it. And your if you want, you can add your graphic card. That is optional part. So what are the things I have to tell about my CPU? I'm using Intel processor, or maybe I will use AMD processor. Maybe it is a i5 processor or i7 processor. Their model number is there. Or a Ryzen processor. Ryzen. Okay, Ryzen is from AMD. What is their model number? What is their clock speed? The clock speed. Number of cores. Number of logical processors called threads. Number of threads. Cache memory. Cache memory. Okay, and some more details if you want to, you can add it. RAM. What is the size of RAM you are using? What model you are using? Okay, what is their clock speed? Storage. Of course, in a storage, you have to tell about the storage and if it is a hard disk or SSD. If it is SSD, which model it is? Okay, size of the hard disk. Okay, so whether it is it can be a hard disk or SSD. In SSD also two things are there, SATA SSD, okay, NVMe M.2 type of SSD. Operating system, are you using a Windows operating system? which model it is, Windows 10 or Windows 11, which edition, home edition or a pro edition or enterprise edition, graphic card size and model. Okay, these are the details you have to tell. You have to know and you have to tell. Of course, some more details also there. To know all these details, guys, different ways to check your system configuration. Different ways to check your system configuration. So what it is, how to check configuration. How to check? So you can go to search, or you can type in run few things. One is you can go to ms info 32. Okay, one way is ms info 32, that is called a system information. ms info 32. Another one is Dxdiag. It is a display related one, so diagnostic tool it is. Okay, directx diagnostic. This is also will tell you. Okay, Dxdiag. Another one is you can type about your PC. This is only works in search. Search, type about your PC, or go to settings, system, about. There you will find. Press the start button. Start button or a Windows button. Settings, system, about. You go to about, then also you will know what is your system configuration. Next one is task manager. Okay. You can open task manager in a different manner, so that is also we'll try to show you that one. System info .exe command is also there in command. So system .exe. So one more is I am trying to recollect here. You can use a third-party tools directly, like a CPU Z or spacey kind of stuff. You can use it. Okay. One or two additional methods are there, so that's also yes. Guys, before you go to that one, why should we check system configuration? Why should we know system configuration? Why we know it? Okay. How to check and what is system configuration is okay, but why should we check? Because only it will ask in interview questions. Okay, we should learn it. If they don't ask, don't learn it. Okay. Not that point, right? So we should know our system configuration. For example, you want to install an application. Install an application. Okay. For example, I want to install a some application, MS Office. I want to install. I want to install some game. Okay, so for example, I want to install a MS Office, and maybe we will see. Um, yeah, I have a VMware workstation. I want to install VMware workstation 16 Pro application, and then I will check what are the minimum requirements are recommended. Minimum means to install this application, what are the least hardware is required, at least hardware required. Okay, recommended is to work with that application. It is better to install better way, and without getting any problem kind of stuff, we can do it. Okay, these are the system requirements. Minimum or recommended, you have to decide. So these are the compatible 64-bit Intel x86 means it is Intel processor or AMD 64 CPU launched in 2011 or later because of built-in virtualization is there. Minimum clock speed is 1.3 gigahertz or faster is required. Your system minimum 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM is or more is required. Okay, to run to install 2 GB is okay, but you have to work with that application more than 4 GB is required. General host operating system, okay, like any Windows operating system works generally. So specifically Pro and Player run on Windows and Linux host operating systems. See, it can works on a Windows 10, Windows 8, 2012 server, 16 server, 19 server, Ubuntu, Linux flavors. These are Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Oracle Linux, OpenSUSE, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. So for Pro installation, 1.2 GB of valid disk space for an application is required. Additional disk space is required for each virtual machines. Please refer a vendor's recommended disk space for a special guest operating system. And it support different type of operating system. We don't want all these things. We want all these things, these points only. I want to install this application. What are my requirements? Okay. The same way, guys, different applications are like games, PC games you want to install. For example, Call of Duty. Okay, one system requirement. Call of Duty, one system requirement. So I want to download this. There's some problem in it. This is the first part of Call of Duty requirement. So somewhere it will write what are the system requirements. So it's a very old one. That's it is showing Windows XP 7 or Vista and later versions also. RAM is 512 MB RAM or 256 MB RAM minimum. 1.4 gigahertz processor, directx compatible, directx line. So you don't require any specific direct card. Minimum graphic is enough. Okay. So Call of Duty games. So if you take a new one, so Call of Duty, World War kind of stuff, it may require more system. Okay. So to install an application, to run applications, run an application while you are running an application also the system minimum requirements, minimum disk space availabilities, CPU, RAM availabilities also required. It is useful for you understand why my system is slow. Okay, how many apps we can run time, many apps we can run at a time. Okay, so I'm running some application. There is an Outlook and there is a Microsoft Teams, okay, Google browser and Microsoft Edge browser is there. How many are we are running it? Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say, guys. Why we should check the system configuration? You want to install an application, running a system, running an applications. You're feeling your system is slow, or maybe you're running multiple applications. How many system up to how much we can utilize? We will understand it. Okay, that is the main thing to know your system configuration, not only for your interview question or not. Okay. Guys, up to here, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
What you will do, we'll go to one by one. We'll go to MS Info 32 and check it. We'll go to Dxdiag and we will check it. Okay. So here it is. So either you do in a search or a run. This is MS Info 32. So you will get a system information. Okay. If you open this one, you will get this information. In summary view, you will get a system summary. Okay, in summary view, you will get it some information. Same window we can open from run also. Windows are, this is run. In the run also, I will put a MS info 30. Same window it will open. Okay, so you can use search or a run. Okay, guys, what are the things you are getting here? Operating system, processor information. It is a 64-bit process system. Your installed physical memory, RAM. These are the main information. Of course, some other information is there. So for us, first of all, we need a CPU, RAM, and hard disk, operating system, right? Hard disk also we can get it from components, storage, disk. This is the hard disk information. And this hard disk partition information. Okay, lot of information. Total system information is available here. So in the system summary, what we are getting. I'm taking the screenshot. So I will cut this up to here because we don't require a full on the screen. Yeah, this is good. And this one also. Okay. Now we are in a summary, guys. Summary. This is your operating system. You can get your operating system, your processor, system type 64-bit. You can look at this. This is installed memory, 12 GB RAM. Okay, these are the. So I am using BIOS mode is UEFI mode. Just information purpose on your system directories, Windows directories, that is also there. But for us, the important one in this concept like system configuration, processor is required 32-bit or 64-bit system, operating system, and RAM also we got it. So we didn't get a hard disk, right? For hard disk, you have to go to components, storage, disk. This is my hard disk. So I go to components, storage, disk. So this is my hard disk size of the hard disk. This is the model of hard disk. This is size we need it. Okay, so this image is taller, not highly big width part. Very good, it's a correct size. So we done, we got information from MS Info 32. What are the information? CPU, RAM, hard disk, and operating system also. Another one is Dxdiag. It is a directx diagnostic tool. So next one is we'll go to Dxdiag. I close this one. I have two snapshots. One is I will close. This is the feature is called a Dxdiag. So this is the Dxdiag, guys. Same for run command also. You can open from here. Actually, Dxdiag is not for checking system configuration. It is mainly for knowing your graphic card memory. Okay, graphic card or a graphical memory in your system. Okay, so how to check it? But here in this one, first of all, we'll gather our system configuration. So it does not show hard disk information. So you have to, we can't get the hard disk information from here. See, you want an operating system and your processor and memory. Okay, this page file is a virtual memory. Okay, so I'm using a directx version is full. So I have a processor, RAM, and operating system I'm getting here. Okay, know your system configuration. You know, I went to shop. It's Bajaj Electronics last time. So they will keep a laptop. They don't. They will tell some information, but what we do, we'll go to laptop first. If possible, DirectX. Why? Because of DirectX. So I want to see the graphical memory. So it is showing 32 MB. Display memory is 32 MB. And I have a built-in graphics that is a GT720M. So I got a 2 GB graphic card. Okay, so you will get to know what is the graphic card used in this machine and how much graphical memory you are getting. People see the approximate total memory or shared memory and they will tell I'm getting 8 GB, 6 GB kind of stuff. The original graphical memory is this part only, guys. This is the original graphic memory. I have a 2 GB graphics. I'm getting 2 GB graphic card it is. And this is the graphic card model. GT720M model it is. Okay. And so I have to go to render. for graphic card, display for a CPU built-in graphical memory, CPU built-in graphical memory. Okay, so how many are completed? 2 are completed. Next one is you have to search. So in a search about your PC, your system not showing render option. So render option is not showing means you don't have any graphic card. Graphics, a separate graphic card is not there. So your graphic memory, which is inside your processor. Okay. Very good. Very good. So in a search, so we have to go to about your PC or about your PC. Okay, this will take directly to your that output, but I can't take a screenshot of it, but I will try it. I'll take 3 seconds. Take about your PC. The screenshot is appear. I will take it. Okay. So in search, I type about your PC, about your PC, like this. Okay. Once you go to about your PC, guys, okay, it displays your system configuration like this. About your processor, your RAM, okay, your operating system means your system 64 or 30-bit system, your operating system version, this information it shows. Why I'm closing? Because I want to show you start button, settings, go to system, first one, system, scroll down, about. Okay, so just scroll up. This is your system configuration. Okay, I'm taking again a snapshot, means snipping tool it is. Here also we want get few information like a graphic card related information. Okay, guys, in the settings, go to system and go to about. There you will find your device name, your processor, your installed memory. Okay, what is my system architecture, it is 32-bit array, 64-bit system type. Of course, current my laptop is touchscreen laptop. Okay, that's what it is shown. And my operating system, of course, their editions also you can able to get it. Okay, so this is about your PC type. Yeah. So graphic card things again I will tell now. This is about your PC, that option. It is very easy to know your system. Next one I will tell task manager, guys. So to open a task manager, different ways to open a task manager. One is you can directly go to search, type task manager. Okay, go to search and type task manager. Very easy. Next, either in a command prompt or in a run command, you can use task mgr. You can use task mgr like this. So you can go to run task mgr. Okay, you can open the task manager, or you can go to command prompt. In the command prompt, type task mgr. Also it opens task manager. Okay, another one is Dxdiag. Right click on taskbar. This is called a taskbar. This area, bottom area, we call it as a taskbar. Right click on a taskbar. There you can select task manager. Okay, that is the answer. Next, ctrl plus alt plus delete button. Okay, so then also we'll get a task manager. So different way to open the task manager is there. I'm opening my task manager. Okay, guys, you can see the process information. So each process, how much CPU it is utilizing, memory utilization, disk utilization, network utilization, graphics utilization, like that. I'm going to performance. So go to task manager, go to performance, one by one CPU, RAM, hard disk, or SSD if it is there. Okay, and also you can find network related. Okay, so network name related, GPU related if it is available. Okay, performance in the task manager. So I open task manager. First one is CPU. So what are the information I am getting from here? So we can look at that one. Don't need it is this much. This is enough. This is okay. Okay. This is enough. Okay. So first of all, I want to get a total CPU performance. Also we'll get it and some other information. Look at it is performance 7 task manager CPU. This is my CPU, guys. Intel i5 3230M. and it is a 2.0 GHz processor, 2-core processor, 4 threads are there, logical processor, virtualization is enabled, and L3 cache is 3 MB cache memory. Current utilization it is showing 60%. That is for a CPU. Okay. Next one is memory. Memory means RAM. Memory means it is about a RAM. Memory meaning it is about a RAM. How much RAM? 12 GB RAM. What model it is? DDR3 model. What frequency it is? 1600 megahertz. Of course, it is a laptop, sodium package it is. Available memory 4.9 G available is there. So I can run some more additional applications or virtual machines in my PC. Okay. So like this available memory is also sometimes it is very important. Okay. So it is CPU and RAM. So what is the next one? Hard disk. Okay, I have two hard disks, guys. Don't worry, because I removed my DVD writer and I inserted a hard disk instead of DVD writer. Okay, because I need more space in my PC. This is a hard disk. This is the size of hard disk. Okay, this is hard disk. Do you know what is it is a hard disk or a SSD? So it is showing it is hard disk or a SSD, and it contains 3 drives. C drive, D drive, F drive belongs to that one. So this is a hard disk too. G drive, E drive, H drive is there. Just one hard disk is enough. No need to know all the hard disk part. Okay. I want to know about my network. Okay, this is my network adapter. This is my Wi-Fi related kind of stuff. Okay, and this is GPU. So we'll go to GPU part or this part. So I will show you my network related also. So just currently I'm showing my Wi-Fi connector, but I'm using both connectivity, Wi-Fi and wide connectivity also there. Okay. This is the adapter name, and of course this is my IP address. Simple no to know the IP address. Okay. This is how data is transmitting. This is your Wi-Fi related information. This is about graphic card. It will take time. It will need the bottom one, like this. Very good. So this is my graphic card. I have a graphic card, that's why it is showing my graphical memory. This is my graphic card model, and this is my graphic memory. Okay, this is my graphic. Okay, we cannot get what is your operating system details kind of stuff from here. Okay guys, understand how to check system configuration. The task manager and about your PC, Dxdiag and MS Info 32. I'm showing direct spicy. Okay, so using spicy is a third party tool guys. Any person can download. If you are need it, then only download it, otherwise don't do it. Okay, so this is also from CC Cleaner company. Okay, we know CC Cleaner, so from there only we are getting this spice. So there is a free professional cleaner kind of stuff is there. We don't need, just we need a free one to download. Okay, no need to pay anything, just download just for checking our system related information. I will show only summary. So this is my spicy, just I open my spicy. No, I don't want to download a new one. Maybe in future I will do it. See, my operating system, my processor, my RAM, my hard disk, my graphics information also it is shown. Okay. And you can go to each and everything about operating system, about CPU, okay, how CPU is there, how many RAMs are there, RAM related issues, so RAM related deep details, storage related details. You can go for it, but I'm going with the summary only. If you don't like the black background white color, then you can change that background kind of stuff also. I didn't done that one, so simply I'm using this one. operating system, CPU, RAM, and again graphical memory, graphics related. So you can find this is my graphic card. This is built-in a processor graphic related, and I have a hard disk, optical driver removed. Okay, like that. So it's I got it this information from the some memory. Guys, this is how to check system configuration, why to check system configuration, and what is my system configuration. Once you find which way you will find, no problem. But once you find your system configuration, put it in one notepad file or maybe in your notes. What is your system configuration? What is my system configuration? Okay, so first of all, I should tell about my CPU and then RAM, then storage. I have a hard disk only. I'm telling directly hard disk. My storage is hard disk only. Only one hard disk, about one hard disk only. I'm telling operating system, and I have a graphic card. Then also I will telling about a graphic card. Yeah, you have to download and install a spicy. Okay, not a default tool. Everything is default tool. Spicy is a third party tool, guys. If you are necessary, then only can install it, otherwise not required also, because you will get information without having it. Okay, I am having the Intel i5 3230M processor, 2.6 gigahertz clock speed. It's a 2-core 4 logical processor, also 4 threads. Logical processors are at 4 threads processor it is. It has a 3 MB cache memory. It is L3 cache memory. It is 3 cache memory. It is 3 MB cache memory. Of course, virtualization is enabled. Virtualization enabled. Not important, but still I have that information. I will write in simple manner, that is Intel VTX is there. So space is quite easy. So processor, clock speed, and number of cores, number of threads, and cache memory. That is enough. Okay. RAM. My RAM is 12 GB RAM. My model is DDR3, and it is 1600 megahertz clock speed. It is. My storage is 500 GB hard disk. It is a model is hard disk only, SATA type of hard disk it is. Operating system, I have a Windows 10 currently in my PC, and it is a 64-bit system. You can mention here also, it's a 64-bit. Graphics card is, I am using 2 GB graphic card. $720M. The model is GeForce. Okay, 720M. This is important. NVIDIA 720. Okay, it's a 2 GB graphic card it is. Guys, this is how to tell about what is your system configuration. Tell me about your system configuration. My system configuration is my CPU is Intel i5 processor, third generation. It is a third generation, 2.6 gigahertz clock speed, 2 core 4 thread processor. Not required that much information also. If it is Intel versions, my processor is Intel processor. My processor is Intel i5 3230M third generation processor. That's enough. My RAM is 12 GB RAM DDR3 model. I have a hard disk, 500 GB hard disk. My operating system is Windows 10 Home Edition. Okay. If you have a graphic card separately, then you can tell, otherwise not required. Even if you don't tell a graphics, no problem. But compulsory check the details, guys. Available RAM memories and all these things for you, you have to check it. Again, what is your system configuration? My system configuration is i5 3230M third generation processor. Okay, RAM 12 GB RAM, 12 GB RAM, DDR3 model, 500 GB hard disk, Windows 10 Home Edition, 2 GB graphics card, and it is a 64-bit system. That much is enough. I am able to see only about screen. Is it for everyone? Means, are you not able to see my screen? Can you able to see my screen now, Amit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, guys, this is how to check system configuration. Tomorrow, I'm going to start with some topic. Mostly, I will tell in a first day, I will put it how to check IP address also. But now it is not the time. So otherwise, I will try either I will start the topic service desk or networking basics. Okay. So tomorrow I will start a service desk or a networking basics. Okay. So I will change sometimes pattern. So sometimes straight. You see tomorrow, yeah. Same day, same time, guys. So class at 10:30, same link only. Mostly, if any changes, we will inform you. Okay, class will be at 10:30. Join from 10:20. Okay, anyway, I will inform once when I reach
Okay,
here.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you send a PDF?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No PDF. It is a direct link. I shared a link.
Thank you
Right?
so much, sir.
Okay. I shared a link in your
Yes,
WhatsApp.
sir.
Open the link.
Yes, sir.
You will get.
Yes, sir. We got that.
You're getting right. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got it.
Very good.
Okay, fine, sir.
Bye.